Well, good day, North Texas. I'm Joshua Weisel here in the Storm Studios, bringing you an update for today. We have quite a bit of activity going on around the time of recording. This was around 11 a.m. And notice there is quite a bit of rain activity across all of North Texas. That's why we have a 100% chance for showers and storms across all of our county coverage area today. We'll break down the risk for severe weather as of 11 o'clock, and we will also tell you what to expect for the highs and when this rain is going to be moving out. So, LiveScan NextRad Doppler radar busy this morning. Severe thunderstorm watch outside of our coverage area until 5 o'clock near the Waco area, all the way down to Abilene as well. And we have a couple of flash flood warnings in effect through midday today. So let's go to the forecast for today. And like we said, a lot of rain activity. That is also going to lead to cooler temperatures. So further to the north and east, where we haven't seen that torrential rainfall that we've seen to the south and west, those temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer by a couple degrees, high of around 74 in Dallas. And then to the south and west, where we've already seen a lot of rainfall today, those temperatures are going to be slightly cooler in the lower 70s for your highs today. 100% chance for showers and storms. Now, overnight tonight, there could be a couple of showers and thunderstorms across parts of the area up to around midnight. But after midnight, it should be a pretty quiet night across North Texas. And then there could be some showers early in the morning tomorrow, but for the majority of the overnight period, it should be quiet. And we're expecting those lows in the lower 60s across all of North Texas. Zooming into a hyper-local view in the immediate DFW area, here's a look at those highs for today. For DFW, we're forecasting around 73, 74 in Dallas, and then the remainder of the area is going to be in the lower 70s, showers and thunderstorms likely. Now making our way into the lows for tonight into tomorrow morning, we're going to be expecting those lows right around 63 for the majority of the DFW area, 62 in Denton. Lower 60s is the lows tonight with a pretty quiet overnight, but there could be a couple showers and storms right around to a little bit after midnight to a couple of showers and thunderstorms early in the morning, right around the morning commute. So that's a look at what we've got going on there. So moving on, here's a look at our 24-hour rainfall projections. And as you already saw with our LiveScan NextRad Doppler radar to the south and west, that's where we have a lot of this heavy rainfall occurring. Thus, the 24-hour projections are going to be a lot greater to the west and southwest of I-35. Now, the remainder of the area is going to see roughly around 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, and that is beneficial just because a couple of areas are starting to get on the drier side as we have that drought slowly creeping back into portions of North Texas, but not all of North Texas. So the rain will be beneficial, but it also brings the risk for maybe, some areas with flash flooding and low-lying areas and areas prone to flooding. Here's a look at the hyper-local view for the DFW Metroplex. Like we said, some areas could see 1 to 2 inches of rainfall there. Moving on, here's a look at the new tool that we're utilizing now, and this is showing today's rain chances through the computer algorithm, looking at the models, and pretty spot on so far. 100% chance for showers and thunderstorms in our western and southwestern counties, right along into the southwest of I-35. Good rain chances for areas to the northeast as well. So here's a look at our severe weather risk today, and the severe weather risk is going to be greater to the south of our area in our southern counties. We'll have to see what the Storm Prediction Center does with the midday update with the risk, just because a lot of this shower and thunderstorm activity should stabilize the atmosphere as it pushes through. We're keeping an eye on the forecast for our southern counties and areas just along and to the west of I-20 as well. So keeping a close eye on it, but I think that a lot of this rainfall will help stabilize the atmosphere. That severe thunderstorm watch that we mentioned at the start of the show is in effect until 5 o'clock outside of our county coverage area. So I think areas to the south may get the greater severe weather risk outside of our county coverage area, but we should be pretty quiet today. There could be a couple strong severe storms with the risk for maybe some hail up to $half size and winds of 60 to 70, but I think the risk after the morning rainfall should stay pretty well to the south and west of the immediate DFW area. So here's a look at the DFW 7-day forecast, and we don't really have the severe weather risk on here just because a lot of that rainfall should stabilize a lot of the activity in North Texas in our county coverage area. But for the remainder of the day, we have the heavy rainfall possible tag just because there's going to be the potential for some heavy rainfall, some flash flooding. We'll get through that beautiful weekend ahead. Summer temperatures on the horizon, and we have temperatures in the mid-90s potentially by Sunday into Tuesday. We're keeping a close eye on this. It's going to be a beautiful pattern as we head through at least Tuesday, but late Tuesday into Wednesday, some of those rain chances might be on the increase again as southwest flow looks to be returning to the southern plains. It looks like there could be some storm chances on the horizon, but for right now in the 7-day forecast, nothing too interesting going on except for the rain today and a beautiful weekend ahead. Enjoy the day. If anything changes, we will have updates throughout the day. Thank you for tuning in to Weather 225. Have a fantastic day, North Texas. We are your weather authority in North Texas since 2015. The model data, radar, and graphics are made possible through the support of MyPro Construction and Roofing. Make sure that you show your support by visiting them for your roofing and general contracting needs and refer Weather 225. Covering North Texas weather since 2015, you're watching Weather 225 North Texas.